My name is Lydia. Since 1994, over 1,000 Watoto children have traveled around the world singing beautiful music, sharing their stories, and telling people everywhere about the love of Jesus. And now, it is my turn. I am so excited. But my life has not always been this way. You know, like millions of children across Africa, each of my Watoto friends and I have either been abandoned or have lost one or both parents to war or disease. Yet our lives have been changed by the love of Jesus. Today, I invite you to come. Come with me to beautiful Africa.
Sadness. He knows my name.
He knows my name.
Father to the fatherless, friend to the friendless, and hope for the hopeless.